Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Through this video, I will make a very beautiful earring design. I will use cotton to make this earring design. We will make a cotton doll earring. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you will love this beautiful design. Take a small cotton ball and make a ball like a marble. Then take a bigger ball of cotton and make a ball again. Then we will make 2 ears of the doll using cotton. I am using fabric glue for this earring. We will use this big ball as the teddy bear or doll face. We will attach the 2 ears. Now we will use 2 seed beads to represent the doll's eyes. Now we will add ear stud. Here we have cut a small square of canvas sheet. Put ear stud. Hope you like this design. Please like, comment, subscribe and support. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.